Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Gladys Egg. Today, in today's topic, I'll be teaching you how to add credit card to your Binance. If you're new to this channel, please do well to tap on subscription bell on to get notified anytime I upload a video. So let's go straight to the point. For you to be able to add your credit card to your Binance, this is what you have to do. Launch your Binance, enter your password. This is the interface of a Binance after entering your password. So what you have to do now is to tap on this arrow or the at the lower menu. Tap on the arrow there. Then tap on buy to crypto. Tap on Bitcoin. Enter the number of USD that you want to buy. Let me enter 2,500 USD. So now tap on buy. Then you enter the user card, the card that you want to use Visa or MasterCard, any of them. So tap on confirm. Now this is the interface of your new card. Here you enter your card details in order to be able to for Binance to be able to withdraw money um, from your account. After this, the Binance will be able to withdraw money from your account and you get your USD. So guys, if this video was helpful, please do well to tap on subscription bell as one said, and tap on notification bell to get notified anytime I upload the video. Thanks for watching.